Welcome to our data analysis course. Today, we're diving into one of the most important foundations, data cleaning. Before you can trust your analysis, you need to make sure your data is accurate and reliable. Think of data cleaning as tidying up your workspace before starting a big project. It's all about fixing errors, removing duplicates, and making sure everything is in the right place. In this lesson, we'll explore why clean data matters, common problems you might encounter, and the essential steps to get your data ready for analysis. Let's get started on this crucial journey together. Imagine trying to solve a puzzle with missing or damaged pieces. That's what analyzing dirty data feels like. Clean data is the backbone of accurate analysis. If your data is full of errors or inconsistencies, your results will be misleading no matter how advanced your tools are. By cleaning your data, you ensure that your insights are trustworthy and your decisions are based on solid ground. This is why every data analyst, no matter their level, must master the basics of data cleaning before moving forward. Data cleaning is the process of fixing or removing incorrect, corrupted, or incomplete records from your dataset. It's like giving your data a fresh start. This step comes before any analysis and is essential for getting meaningful results. Whether you're working with spreadsheets, databases, or big data platforms, the principles remain the same. Identify issues, correct them, and make sure your data is consistent and ready for analysis. You first receive data, it's almost never perfect. There might be missing entries, duplicate records, or even typos and formatting errors. These imperfections can sneak in from manual entry, system glitches, or even during data transfers. That's why it's important to approach every new dataset with a critical eye. Recognizing that raw data is rarely perfect sets the stage for effective cleaning and analysis. Let's talk about the most common problems you'll encounter in raw data. Missing values or gaps where information should be. Duplicate records or repeated entries that can skew your results. Incorrect formats might mean dates are written inconsistently or numbers are stored as text. Spelling errors can make it hard to group or analyze data correctly. Being able to spot these issues quickly is a key skill for any data analyst. Missing values are one of the most frequent issues in data. Sometimes information just isn't available or it gets lost during collection. These gaps can cause problems in your analysis, especially if you're calculating averages or totals. There are several ways to handle missing values, such as filling them in with estimates, removing the affected rows, or using advanced techniques like imputation. The right approach depends on your data and the analysis you plan to do. Duplicate records can sneak into your data in many ways, like repeated entries or system errors. These duplicates can distort your analysis, making it seem like there's more data than there actually is. Removing duplicates is a crucial step in data cleaning. Most tools like Excel or database software offer simple ways to find and delete duplicate rows. Always double-check before removing data to avoid losing important information. Correct formats are another common headache. Dates might be written in different styles, numbers might be stored as text, or phone numbers could have extra symbols. These inconsistencies make it hard to sort, filter, or analyze your data. Standardizing formats is a key part of data cleaning. This means making sure all dates look the same, numbers are in the right format, and text fields are consistent. It's a detail-oriented task, but it pays off in the long run. Spelling errors can cause big problems, especially when you're grouping or summarizing data. For example, if New York is spelled several different ways, your analysis might treat them as separate places. Carefully reviewing and correcting spelling mistakes ensures that your data is consistent and your results are accurate. Many tools offer spell check features, but sometimes a manual review is needed for best results. First step in cleaning your data is to remove duplicate records. This helps prevent double counting and ensures your analysis reflects the true data. Most spreadsheet and database tools have built-in features to identify and delete duplicates. Always review the duplicates before deleting them to make sure you're not removing important information by mistake. Next, address any missing values in your dataset. Depending on the situation, you might fill in missing values with averages, estimates, or other logical replacements. In some cases, it's better to remove rows or columns with too many missing values. The goal is to make sure your data is as complete as possible without introducing bias or errors. Standardizing formats is all about making sure your data is consistent. This includes dates, numbers, and text fields. For example, choose one date format and apply it throughout your dataset. Convert numbers stored as text into numeric values. Consistency makes it much easier to analyze and visualize your data later on. Data types matter. Sometimes numbers are stored as text or dates are stored as numbers. This can cause errors in calculations or sorting. Make sure each column in your dataset has the correct data type. Most tools allow you to change data types easily, ensuring your analysis runs smoothly. Data cleaning isn't just a technical step, it's essential for getting accurate results. Clean data helps you avoid costly mistakes and ensures your insights are based on reality. It also saves time in the long run since you won't have to fix problems later. By investing time in cleaning your data now, you set yourself up for success in every analysis you do. One of the biggest benefits of data cleaning is improved accuracy. When your data is free from errors and inconsistencies, your analysis is much more likely to reflect the real world. This means you can trust your results and make better decisions based on them. Accuracy is the foundation of good data analysis. Dirty data can lead to wrong conclusions, which can be costly or even dangerous in some cases. By cleaning your data, you prevent these errors and ensure your insights are reliable. This is especially important in fields like healthcare, finance, or business, where decisions based on data can have big impacts. Spending time on data cleaning upfront saves you a lot of time later. If you skip this step, you'll likely run into problems during your analysis, forcing you to go back and fix issues. Clean data means smoother workflows and faster results, making your entire project more efficient. There are many tools available for data cleaning, from simple spreadsheets like Excel to specialized software like OpenRefine or Python libraries. The tool you choose depends on your data and your comfort level. The important thing is to understand the principles of data cleaning so you can apply them no matter what tool you use. Excel is a great starting point for data cleaning. It offers built-in features to remove duplicates, find and replace errors, and standardize formats. You can use filters to spot missing values and sort data to find inconsistencies. Excel's user-friendly interface makes it easy to get started, even if you're new to data analysis. For more complex data cleaning tasks, tools like OpenRefine offer powerful features. You can cluster similar values, transform data in bulk, and handle large datasets efficiently. These tools are especially useful when you're working with big data or need to automate repetitive cleaning tasks. If you're comfortable with programming, Python offers libraries like Pandas for automating data cleaning. You can write scripts to remove duplicates, fill missing values, and standardize formats across huge datasets. Automation saves time and reduces the risk of manual errors, making it a valuable skill for advanced analysts. Before you start cleaning, it's helpful to plan your approach. Review your data, identify the main issues, and decide on the best methods to fix them. A clear plan helps you stay organized and ensures you don't miss any important steps. Good planning leads to better, faster results. As you clean your data, keep track of the changes you make. Documenting your process helps you remember what you did and makes it easier to explain your work to others. It's also useful if you need to repeat the process in the future or troubleshoot any issues that come up. Consistency is key in data cleaning. Make sure similar data is entered in the same way throughout your dataset. This includes things like capitalization, abbreviations, and date formats. Consistent data is much easier to analyze and reduces the risk of errors in your results. After cleaning, it's important to validate your data. This means checking that your changes worked and that your data is now accurate and complete. Run a few test analyses or summaries to make sure everything looks right. Validation is the final check before you start your main analysis. Even experienced analysts can make mistakes during data cleaning. Common pitfalls include deleting too much data, introducing new errors, or forgetting to document changes. Take your time, double-check your work, and always keep a backup of your original data. Avoiding these mistakes will save you headaches down the road. Before making any changes, always create a backup of your original data. This way, if something goes wrong, you can restore your data and try again. Backups are a simple but essential part of any data cleaning process. If you find yourself repeating the same cleaning steps over and over, consider automating them. Many tools allow you to record macros or write scripts that perform common tasks automatically. Automation not only saves time but also reduces the risk of manual errors. After cleaning your data, take a moment to review your results. Look for any remaining issues or inconsistencies. A careful review ensures that your data is truly ready for analysis and that you haven't missed anything important. Once your data is clean, you can confidently share it with others. Clean data is easier for teams to work with and leads to better collaboration. Make sure to document your cleaning steps so others understand how the data was prepared. Let's look at a practical example. Imagine you have a customer list with duplicate names, missing phone numbers, and inconsistent date formats. By following the steps we've discussed, removing duplicates, filling in missing values, and standardizing formats, you can transform this messy data into a reliable resource for analysis. Clean data isn't just a technical requirement, it has real-world impact. Businesses rely on accurate data to make decisions, track performance, and identify opportunities. Clean data leads to better insights, more effective strategies, and improved outcomes across all industries. Investing time in data cleaning can save money in the long run. Errors in data can lead to costly mistakes, wasted resources, and missed opportunities. By ensuring your data is clean from the start, you help your organization avoid these pitfalls and operate more efficiently. Clean data supports better decision-making at every level. Whether you're analyzing sales trends, customer feedback, or operational metrics, you need reliable data to draw meaningful conclusions. Data cleaning ensures that your decisions are based on facts, not errors. In many industries, clean data is also a compliance requirement. Regulations may require accurate records for audits, reporting, or customer privacy. Data cleaning helps you meet these requirements and avoid legal or regulatory issues. As your organization grows, your data will too. Clean data makes it easier to scale your analysis, add new data sources, and integrate with other systems. It's a foundation for sustainable growth and innovation. Data cleaning isn't a one-time task. As new data comes in, you'll need to repeat the cleaning process regularly. Continuous improvement ensures your data stays accurate and useful over time. Make data cleaning a regular part of your workflow for the best results. Every data analyst makes mistakes, especially when learning. The key is to learn from them and improve your process. If you accidentally delete important data or miss an error, take note and adjust your approach next time. Growth comes from experience and reflection. Developing good data cleaning habits early on will serve you well throughout your career. Always check your data, document your steps, and validate your results. These habits lead to better analysis and more reliable insights, no matter what kind of data you're working with. Curiosity is a powerful tool for data analysts. Always ask questions about your data. Where did it come from? What might be wrong with it? How can it be improved? Staying curious helps you spot issues early and find better ways to clean and analyze your data. Data cleaning techniques and tools are always evolving. Stay up to date by learning new methods, exploring different tools, and practicing your skills. The more you learn, the more effective you'll be as a data analyst. Let's recap the key steps in data cleaning. Remove duplicates, handle missing values, standardize formats, and correct data types. Each step is important for ensuring your data is accurate and ready for analysis. By following these steps, you set yourself up for success in any data project. Now that you understand the basics of data cleaning, you're ready to move on to more advanced topics. In our next lesson, we'll dive into using Excel for data analysis. You'll learn how to apply these cleaning techniques in real-world scenarios and start uncovering valuable insights from your data. The best way to master data cleaning is through practice. Try cleaning different datasets, experiment with various tools, and challenge yourself with new problems. Each experience will make you more confident and skilled as a data analyst. Congratulations on completing this introduction to data cleaning. You've learned why clean data is important, how to spot common problems, and the essential steps to prepare your data for analysis. Keep practicing, stay curious, and get ready for the next lesson where we'll start working with Excel for data analysis. Your journey to becoming a skilled data analyst has just begun.